What's going on? Dan Bradley here and welcome inside my Equinox review. Now, this is a review that I've been really excited to put out for the last few days. It's a product that I've been using intensely and I know this is something that's going to work for you. How do I know that? I have been doing the exact same thing, although searching for things manually without this software, for over 12 months. And this is bringing in regular income week after week after week. So this method, this system and this software is definitely going to work. So inside this Equinox review, I want to show you guys exactly how I've been doing this. I want to show you guys the software and all of that good stuff. But I know that a lot of people are going to be telling you about this software. So let's kick this off with the bonuses that I've got to offer for you guys. I'll run through the bonuses for you. And then what I'll do is if you still want to find out more information about the software, I'll go into the demo and go through the software with you. Now, in a nutshell, what Equinox actually allows you to do is to make money from YouTube without making videos, right? You don't need to put your face on camera, you don't need to film anything, you don't need to, pick bits of content from here or there, none of that. What this allows you to do is basically search through YouTube for dead links, okay? So you'll see in this video, for example, down below in the description, I have a link. That link will go through to my bonus page, where of course you can grab your copy of Equinox and all my bonuses. But so many people out there let those links die. This software is going to find those links, find these opportunities for you, and you can then basically revive that link and send traffic anywhere you want. Affiliate offers, CPA offers. You can build lists from it. So you can target a number of different things. Say in the weight loss niche, you can start building up a list of weight loss subscribers. Then from that list, you can email them stuff, maybe ClickBank offers. There's so many different ways that you can make money from this, and it's a really, really great system. Now, that being said, let's dive in. I'm going to show you the bonuses so you guys know that we have the best bonuses, as always, down below. And then what we'll do is we'll take a look at the system. So let's go take a look at those bonuses right now. Alrighty, welcome inside the bonus area for Equinox. Now, this is the page you're going to see down below below this YouTube video. You're going to see a link. When you click that link in the description, you're going to come through to this page here. Now there's a cool demo video here that you can watch, and if you scroll on down towards the bottom of the video page, you're going to be able to take a look at the bonuses that we're offering when you pick up Equinox through our link. Now, bonus number 1 is a lead generation bundle. This is a giveaway bundle. This is going to include ebooks, software, everything that you're really going to need to get a load of people following you, to build a list. Now, if you're going to be using this Equinox software for lead generation, if you're going to be using that to generate leads, to create these leads, and obviously build up subscriber lists, then what you're going to need is something to give away for free, something in exchange for their email address. Okay, gone are the days where you can just get email addresses easily. You now need to provide some sort of value, give someone a product that they're going to want to give you their email address for. So that's bonus number 1 that we're including there. Bonus number 2 is email marketing secrets. Now, building up a huge list is nowhere near as powerful as building up a smaller list of loyal cherubs, people who want to hear from you. They love you, they love the brand, they love your message, and they want to basically do business with you. And that's what we're going to show you inside of this bonus. We're going to show you how not just to build a list. Okay, building a list is meh. Building a list of loyal cherubs, building a list of people that love you, love your brand, and want to hear more from you. There's a specific way to do that. So we're going to be showing you basically behind the scenes of what it really takes to create an online business and an email marketing business. Bonus number 3, we're going to show you how to find high converting affiliate offers. So if you want to use your Equinox software now and drive traffic into affiliate offers, you need to kind of know the process to go through of qualifying offers. All right, there are a huge amount of affiliate offers out there. There's hundreds of thousands of affiliate offers that at any one time you could promote. But what it is it's about finding the ones that are going to convert and the ones that are going to pay you the most amount of money for that conversion. Okay, and there's kind of a sweet spot that you're looking for. Now, over the last few years of doing this is something that we have developed, and it's the ability to what I call sniff out high converting affiliate offers. So in this video tutorial bonus, we're going to show you the exact process that I personally go through to find high converting offers, how I look at a product, how I look at how it's performing, how it's done previously, what stats are important, what stats you can ignore, and really just what the process is of finding top quality products that A, you can be proud to promote, and B, are going to make you money. Okay, so that's what we're going to cover in that bonus there. Next bonus is going to be a funnel and page builder software. So, of course, if you're going to use this Equinox software and drive people into some sort of list building activity, you're going to need to create these pages, okay? Landing pages or a funnel if you want to start offering a product. So we're going to give you a software that plugs right into WordPress that allows you basically to create pages like this page you're looking at here, right? So this page that you're seeing here, all right, very similar to that. You're going to be able to create beautiful looking pages quickly and easily using this software. And the final bonus is a 30-minute one-on-one Skype consultation with me. So the final bonus that we're going to give you, if you decide to pick up Equinox through the link down below, is you can actually jump on a call with me. It's pitch free, guys. Okay, I'm going to give you 30 minutes over Skype, and we can talk about anything that you want. So you want to talk about how to set up this Equinox system. No problem. You want to talk about email marketing. You want to talk about affiliate marketing. You want to talk about running a business. You want to talk about the weather. I don't care. The topic is yours, okay? I'm going to give you 30 minutes of my time to talk about anything that you want to, anything that you really feel that you're struggling on, you'd like to kind of get a mentor on, you'd like to just get a little bit of coaching on. I'm going to give you 30 minutes for free. Now, this is a bonus you won't find anywhere else because this is a bonus that's incredibly labor intensive for me, okay? But this is how much I know that Equinox is going to work for you because it's something that I have been doing, guys, for months and months and months. So I'm in a very great position here where I can offer a lot of advice and a lot of support. So I want you guys to really get the most of that. So I've included a 30-minute one-on-one Skype consultation, completely pitch free, and as an exclusive bonus when you pick this up through me. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed those bonuses. We put a lot of time and a lot of effort into getting those bonuses ready and getting them out for you guys today. Now, of course, there's going to be other people offering bonuses. Feel free to jump around if you want to take a look at what other people are offering, because you can always come back to this page once you realize that, of course, we have the best bonuses. Now, a lot of people will tell you that they've got $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 worth of bonuses, and it's just PLR rubbish, guys. It's not going to help you guys out. We specifically create and source these bonuses for the product that we're promoting, okay? So these are the bonuses that I know from someone who actually uses this method is going to help you with Equinox. So they're not just random bonuses that we've just kind of made up to make it seem more appealing, okay? So that being said, let's dive into the software and let's take a look at actually how this system works.
Is the actual training members area. This is the first thing that you're going to see after you get through the shopping cart. And here we have the introduction video. I give an explanation about how it works, and then there's monetization training inside of here, including how to monetize this traffic with CPA offers, ClickBank, simple affiliate offers, and also list building. I go into a lot more detail on this inside of the Pro version as well, and then you can access the upgrades inside of here too. Now, the actual software itself can be accessed via this module here where it says using the software. Through the software tutorial, there's actually a button down below this video which will take you through to the software access, and once you've logged in using the credentials that are sent to you via email, then you'll be inside the dashboard, which looks like this. Now, fundamentally, Equinox will be able to help you to find dead links inside of other people's YouTube videos, which you can easily revive and then redirect that traffic to an offer, a CPA offer, an affiliate offer, a website, a lead generation page, a local business. Wherever you want that traffic to go, you can decide where you want that to go. But it all starts with this research here. So I'm inside of the app here, and if I go to keywords, this is going to allow me to search for longer tail keywords, which will give me more of a chance of finding a video that has these broken links inside of it. So I'm just going to search for weight loss. Okay, so I'm going to hit search, and what this is going to do is going to bring up all of these different variations of this seed keyword that I've just put in. So you can see we've got weight loss pills, weight loss calculator, weight loss surgery, weight loss programs, weight loss shakes, etc., etc. Now, a good one to use here could be weight loss foods. Okay, so if I want to go with this keyword, all I would need to do is click on this magnifying glass here, and what this is going to do is take me through to the research section of Equinox, and this will allow me to search and refine my search even more. So if you have one of the upgrades which will allow you to search with Wikipedia, you'll not only be able to search via YouTube, but also inside this drop down menu you'll be able to search via Wikipedia as well. But for this demo I'm just going to show you how this works on YouTube. So I've selected YouTube, my keyword is weight loss foods. Now the upload date, this means that when the actual videos were uploaded to YouTube. Now by default this is set to be around 6 months prior to the date that you're searching. That means that the video is a little bit old and there's more chance of there being a dead link inside of the description of that YouTube video. So I've left it at default. You can then set the order by a relevance or view count. I'm going to set mine by view count, and I'm going to set it to search 10 pages. Now 10 pages is the maximum that you can search with the front end. With the Pro upgrade then you can search for a lot more, but I'm just going to leave this at 10. Ignore domains. This is stuff like big websites like Twitter, Instagram, places like that, which are not really relevant. I mean, you can't really hijack a Twitter domain because it's obviously going to belong to somebody else. So we're only going to be searching for domains that are available for us to use. Okay, so I'm going to click on create. Okay, and then this is going to start searching through all of the YouTube videos on YouTube that are to do with weight loss foods. And as you can see, it's starting to populate. It's checked 433 videos so far. There's 443 videos available. 443 have been checked. 224 links have been scraped. And then there's 7 target links. And once this is finished processing, we'll be able to see the results down below. Okay, so this is finished processing and it's giving us all of the target links that are available on these videos. So there's this video here. It does have a broken link inside of it, but the domain is not available yet. So what we can do here is we can select the actions down here and we can choose to have it remind us through the domain reminders as soon as this domain becomes available, then we can pick it up and we can redirect it to one of our pages or one of our affiliate links. So this one is not available either, not available yet, but down here you can see that there in this video right here there's a couple of domains that are available for us to pick up. And now this video only has 1,665 views, so it's not going to be a brilliant video for us to use, but for the purpose of this demonstration I'm showing you how this actually works. So you would want to find a video that has at least a couple of 100,000 views, and then you'll be able to siphon the traffic from the people that click on these dead links that are currently going to a dead link expired page. You'll be able to revive that domain and you'll be able to send it to anywhere you like. Now on ClickBank there is a ton of different weight loss related offers, especially to do with different foods for weight loss, and you could easily you redirect this dead link to a weight loss offer or a food related offer on ClickBank, for which you'll be compensated for with commissions. So what you can do from here is you can simply click on save to save this for later, or you can directly click on either GoDaddy or Namecheap, and that will take you through to either GoDaddy or Namecheap, where you can see this domain and you can go and pick this up directly. Okay, so once you've picked it up, it's just a very simple 2-minute process to redirect that link to your affiliate offer or your weight loss related page, and then all of the traffic from the people that are watching this video and clicking on these links will go redirectly to your affiliate offers or your pages. So this is a great way to make some money online from other people's videos. You don't need to create any content yourself. You don't need to create any videos yourself. You don't need to upload anything. You simply use Equinox to seek out the domains that are currently broken in the descriptions of people's YouTube videos, and then you'll simply use Equinox to go to either GoDaddy or Namecheap, revive those links and redirect them to your affiliate links or your pages or anywhere on the internet that you want to send this traffic. So thank you for watching this quick.
Alright guys, so that brings me to the end of this Equinox review. I hope you've got lots of great information out of it. You now understand the bonuses that we're offering, how the product works, and you've got a good idea of that funnel, so you know what sort of upgrades are going to be coming up, right? So thanks ever so much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell to be notified about up and coming product launches. We have product launches, we have giveaways, we have tutorials and more that we do right here on this channel. Got any comments, guys? Feel free to drop them in the comments section down below. Otherwise, grab Equinox, grab those bonuses through the link below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.